Let's practice adding integers with different signs. Find 5 plus negative 10. Well, when we look at the absolute values of these two numbers, negative 10 and 5, we know that the negative 10 has the greater absolute value because it's further from 0 on a number line. So in this case, all we need to do is subtract 5 from 10 and keep the sign with the number that has the greater absolute value. So 5 or 10 minus 5 is 5. And since 10 has the greater absolute value, it's going to stay negative, and we're going to say the answer is negative 5. Let's look at negative 3 plus 7. Well, on the side here, we can look at the absolute value of negative 3 and the absolute value of 7, and we see that 7 has the greater absolute value. It's further from 0. So all we do is subtract 3 from 7, which is 4, and we keep the sign of the number that has the greater absolute value. In this case, 7 is positive already, so we leave the 4 positive. What about negative 12 plus 12? Well, in this case, negative 12, the absolute value of negative 12, and the absolute value of 12 are actually equal. And I want you to notice that these two numbers are opposites. Okay, they're the exact same amount of units from 0 on the number line. This means that the sum of these numbers is actually 0, because 12 minus 12 is 0.